Welcome to JH. Recently, Roblox players have been noticing something a bit off in public servers. And no, I'm not talking about the usual lag or questionable fashion choices. Messages are popping up about a site called Bloxdrope, with users claiming they've hit the jackpot or scored easy rewards. It sounds exciting, provided you've never spent more than 5 minutes on the internet before. The big question is Bloxdrope actually legit? Or is this just another Roblox scam designed to drain your soul and your Robux? Stick with me, and let's break it down together. First, let's look at the sheer volume of these messages. They're appearing everywhere, from Tower of Hell and Dandy's World to Bloxburg, and even in tiny games with barely any players. When the exact same message appears in every single server, it's not passionate fans talking, it's coordinated spam. It's almost impressive how these bots have a more active social life than most of us, considering how many servers they manage to crash in a single hour. Now for the next red flag, the messengers themselves. These messages come from accounts with random, weird usernames that look like someone fell asleep on their keyboard. These bots join, drop their little advertisement, and vanish faster than my motivation on a Monday morning. Players who try to report them find the player list empty because the accounts are already gone. This join and leave behavior is the textbook definition of a scam bot, yet some people still treat it like a legitimate business proposal. In some servers, the chat is so flooded with 4 or 5 different accounts promoting Bloxdrope that you can't even see actual player conversations. Apparently, the bots are also targeting smaller, underrated games to avoid being noticed or reported by active moderators. It's a calculated effort to annoy everyone into submission, which would be impressive if it weren't so incredibly pathetic. Nothing ruins a quiet game of Jurassic Blocky quite like a digital parasite screaming about free rewards every 3 seconds. Let's talk about the site itself. When you actually look into Bloxdrope, it's your typical off-site gambling or reward page designed to make you click, sign in, and hand over your credentials. Let's be real for a second. Legitimate websites don't need an army of mindless bots to promote them. These sites rarely give rewards and are usually just a front for stealing your account or personal information. Because nothing says trustworthy like a website that looks like it was designed by a caffeinated squirrel in 2005. To the surprise of absolutely no one, there is zero official connection between this site and Roblox. There are no announcements, no verification, and no trusted sources backing it up. Roblox doesn't partner with random third-party gambling sites, so if a website claims otherwise, it's lying through its digital teeth. Veteran players will recognize this immediately because it's the exact same scam wave we saw years ago. The only thing they've changed is the name, proving that scammers are about as creative as a Hollywood reboot. Before we wrap this up, here's some free advice that's actually worth something. Don't trust websites promoted through spam. Don't click links sent by random accounts. Never share your Roblox login details, and avoid any off-site gambling platforms like the plague. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay safe, stay smart, and please share this to help others avoid getting played by recycled scams like Bloxdrope.